Guys, what's up? And today we're playing Bird Simulator. So I did try to record this, but it didn't go too well because I was like silent for pretty much the whole time. So yeah, I said get off. So I'm just gonna write get off. Get off. Ugh! People always do that. It's so annoying. If you've ever played this game, you'll know. So I've got 1,560, 70, 80, 90, 600, 610, 1,600, blah blah blah. Whatever. So I'm just trying to make that parkour, but you can't. So yeah, the first egg costs 3,000, which I think is a surprise because it costs that much. So I'm gonna steal this. Ha 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 ha. Mwah ha ha. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah ha 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 ha. Mwah ha 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 ha. Sorry, you had to hear that? That was pretty much. Ah, my leg. Sorry, my leg. Ah, that really hurt. I just kicked my toe on the wall by accident. I hit my toe on the wall. That really hurt. Wait, why did I say my leg? I meant my toes. I want this. So this egg is number 1, then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, but there is no 3. This is only update 2, I think. I'm not too sure. Is he going to join? How much people are on? Boo 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 boo. What does this say? This game is not finished. Please give the game a like so we know we should make updates. More birds, areas, sanctuary. Some game, get off ready. It's now in caps. Oh, he just walked past. Good. Game, get off ready. So I'm gonna type get off. Oh, good. He walks straight past. There's one right next to me. Good. So people can take that one. Not mine. I always have 3,000 to get a new bird. So exciting. Oh, good. He's going to take mine when that's finished. I just know it, so I'm getting ready. He's going to take mine. No? Oh. Maybe nobody will take mine this time. Because I haven't got one of these by myself. Yes. Yay! Oh, my eyes so itchy. Sorry, I was just seeing my microphone. Ooh. Oh, this chest. I'm helping. Oh, there's another one. So I have another account which I'm gonna play more games on. I'll play Texting Simulator, Bubblegum Simulator, and all the games I've played on this. Wait, that looks like a Minecraft slime. If you guys play Minecraft, you'll know. You would know that looks like a Minecraft slime. It's crazy. I don't know why. How do you like? So mine collects 10 every time. I want better pet. Wow. Pet. So I'm gonna have over 3,000. I'm so hyped. Yeah, I'm gonna get 3,000. Oh, I got. Not yet. 70, 80, 90, 3000. Yes. Oh, I really want that one. You please get the core. That one. That rare. Please, 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 please. No way I'll get rare on my first one. Nah. Got the pink one. How good is it? I want to know how good it is. How good is it? Oh, it's exactly the same. So, oh, you can delete them. It's exactly the same. Damn it. So, oh, quick. Did I get it just in time? No, I didn't. Think I only got 10. So now I'll gather 20 at a time. So I'm just checking my recordings. So I got 4 minutes left. Get off? Question mark. What does he think? Get off? Question mark. Is he new? No. I'm not even gonna tell him. Oh, what are you doing? I'll just go this one. Where's my other one? Where's my other bird? He's equipped. Why can't I? Oh, he's equipped. But where is he? Where is he? Is that him? So if I just go there, 60. Yeah, it is. He still collected this one. Wow. Yeah. So we're gonna do try not to laugh videos as well by myself, sadly. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like. It'll really help out the channel because I really want some subscribers. Please look at this face. Please. Please. Wait. Oh, whoops. I was pressing the off button. Please. Please. Look at this face, please. Please. Look at this face. People are gonna be like, huh? What is he talking about? So, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. It will really help out the channel a lot. So, we got like 2 minutes left. I'm seeing if I can go in any of these buildings. Doesn't look like it. Oh, wait. Wait, you can climb them. Wait, no, you can't. Wait, what? Wait. One of these. Or is it just that big chest in the background? So, I won't end the video right here. I'll end it when it hits like 9 minutes and 30 seconds or something. So, or I could end it right now. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And it really help out the channel. And goodbye. Wait, no. That didn't work. Wait, what button is it? It is Control plus F10. Good.